Hi friends, this is your Properties of Matter poem. I'm going to read it to you. Fingers tell, what can your fingers see for you? Whether a surface feels old or new? Is it bumpy, lumpy, prickly, scratchy? Hard as a brick? Spongy, rough, softer than dough? Touch it. See if your fingers know. So remember, the properties of matter is the way something looks, the way something sounds, the way something tastes, the way something feels, and the way something smells. Ways to describe objects using their properties are the size of it, the shape of it, the color of it, the texture of it, meaning how does it feel, and also flexibility can be a way to describe an object. Can it bend?